Moving right past 5:17 on this Thursday morning. Perfect time for weather on the 7s as all the rain that developed down to the south yesterday going to stick with us through the duration of the morning and the early afternoon hours. We are seeing it come down pretty good clip and just some very isolated lightning strikes, not a whole lot, but got to remember we have flood watches that last all the way till this evening. As average accumulation is 4 state counties wide spread is going to be about 2 inches. You work down here to the south, we're already talking about 3 to 4 inches if you back up from when this whole thing started on Monday. Freeman Health System sky camera temperatures not even close to the freezing point. We don't have to worry about any of that wintry precip, sitting at 45 right now. But go ahead and knock off 6 degrees from the temperature to what it actually feels like when you head out the door, thanks in part to a good northeast wind that's going to be coming in at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. 45 in Miami, 40 in Iola, and 46 in Carthage. As far as the bus stop forecast goes, we'll have some clearing skies, but plan on them having to fight the rain as they go to school. And once again, by the time they get home, we're starting to break a little bit. Just not going to help them on the way to school. Massive movement in the jet stream finally, as it was hanging over the southwest when we had the cold front, now moving over parts of Texas and Louisiana. That right there is going to be Tropical Storm Zeta. Yes, still a tropical storm. Our temperature is going to push up into the 40s later on today. And like I said, look at that right-hand panel. Love those clearing skies, as we'll be able to get some sunshine here by the time that it's set. So all things being said, after we're done here this afternoon, we're actually going to head into the weekend in pretty nice fashion.